If you a city girl, go get you a bad boy so you can act bad, because we acting bad. Or something, you heard?
We just enjoying life, living our best.
Get ready for a dive into the swirling waters of celebrity drama, where recent events have stirred up a tempest around none other than the iconic figure, Diddy. But hold on to your seats, as Yung Miami, the feisty rapper, has just dropped a bombshell hinting at Diddy's covert escapades with none other than Usher. Could this revelation be true? Is Diddy ensnared in a tangled web of secrets and manipulations? And what role does Usher play in this unfolding drama?
You know, I mean, look, it wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't surprise me, but
for start, brace yourselves as we peel back the layers of glitz and glamour in the music industry to uncover jaw-dropping truths. It's a tale that wouldn't surprise many as we rewind and recall how Yung Miami transitioned from being Diddy's ex to his co-host amidst whispers of scandal involving Lil Rod, a producer with bold accusations.
My life is really, going crazy right now. You know what I'm saying?
But wait, Lil Rod's legal entanglements with Diddy, as convoluted as a spaghetti junction, thrust Yung Miami into the spotlight with allegations of her involvement in a nefarious substance trafficking scheme. As the scandal deepened, so did the intrigue, with court documents unearthing Diddy's alleged involvement.
Me, you want to know what I do when I act bad? I do what the I want.
In the shadowy world of sex work. According to these documents, Yung Miami wasn't merely receiving compensation for her musical talents. She was allegedly receiving monthly payments for services rendered in a different kind of studio altogether. But Lil Rod's allegations didn't end with Yung Miami alone. They dragged another notable figure, D.N.E. Joy, into the mire of scandal, known for her connections to none other than 50 Cent. It appears that Diddy's generosity extended not only to dollar bills, but also to monthly stipends for certain services, leaving the industry shaken. Yet, when the cash flow abruptly dwindles, Yung Miami appears to hold the key. Rumors swirl that Diddy, once the generous—
How did you all move on from such a public relationship and keep it all private? Like, there was no spill out, there was no mess, there was nothing for us.
Benefactor behind her extravagant lifestyle has drastically slashed her monthly allowance, sending shockwaves through their relationship. With her lavish lifestyle now in jeopardy, whispers suggest that Yung Miami has turned informant, divulging secrets to insiders and journalists alike in a bid to protect herself from potential legal repercussions. But what lies ahead for Diddy in this unfolding saga? Amidst all the speculation, one insider disclosed that despite the rift between them, Diddy still saw fit to buy Yung Miami a Christmas gift, albeit not as generously as before. However, it appears there's more to their strained relationship than just financial matters. Another source hinted that Diddy might benefit from someone like Carisha in his life.
I'm not speaking on it because I don't care. I'm not getting into
You're
it.
about it.
I don't, yeah.
Suggesting he might be grappling with personal demons amidst his legal troubles. As for the drama, just when we thought it couldn't intensify any further, whispers from the shadows bring forth a startling revelation from none other than Yung Miami herself. It seems the rapper turned informant hasn't been holding back about what she witnessed behind the closed doors of Diddy's lavish parties. Among the glittering array of guests, one name shines brighter than the rest: Usher. Yes, you read that correctly. Usher, the R&B sensation, and Diddy, the hip-hop mogul, allegedly share more than just
understand life. He helped me understand what it was to be an artist. He helped me understand what it was to be passionate about something.
industry connections. Reports suggest their ties date back to Usher's teenage years when he was under Diddy's mentorship. Rumors of wild parties and unconventional mentorship have circulated for years, fueled by cryptic comments and leaked videos. Twitter erupted with theories and conjectures, with some even suggesting Usher might have been groomed under Diddy's wing. Interviews and leaked footage offer
Watching Puff at the Beverly Hills Hotel. I'm filming this, and it's a pool party that is ridiculous.
glimpses into their intertwined lives, with Howard Stern probing Usher about his time living with Diddy in New York City. Despite remaining coy about specifics, Usher's allusions to their wild lifestyle add fuel to the speculative fire. Further intrigue arises from a leaked video featuring Diddy and Kevin Hart, where Diddy casually implies a close relationship between himself and Usher.
No, not really. I mean, but hey, it was curious. I got a chance to see some things.
Yeah, but you were 13. What were you
I
seeing?
went there to see the lifestyle.
My brother right here from day one, we used to wake up and, damn, pause, but like, check this out.
I mean, back in the days when he was like 10 and I was a little bit older, his older brother, we used to fight over the frosted flakes. You know what I'm saying? Before pause was invented.
I don't think people understand what it's like to be traumatized by somebody famous and rich, because you can't get away from that. But I remember, like, I don't know if you know what his voice sounds like, but like, I felt like I was in the presence of his monster inside.
Do you believe Diddy is a dangerous person?
Yes.
I do.
First one's here with about 30 different law enforcement vehicles at least. There are 3 Bearcats on scene here. This just all unfolded, Sandra, I would say.
But it's just crazy. Just read.
But